Don't let the name National Transmission fool you. Beyond being the premier destination for transmission repair, National's talented team of mechanics have been trained to handle any type of auto repair on just about any vehicle, from your car to commercial fleets. Audis to Volkswagens, Toyotas to Nissans, and Chevys to Fords, National does it right for every automotive need. Like major engine repair, tires, brakes, exhaust, suspensions, air conditioning, alignments, oil changes, and all preventative maintenances.